Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at pound dollar. On the daily chart, what we see over here is a bearish movement. It has created new low and closed below the low. However, over here, it did it. It seems like it did it again. However, the closing price, you can see it touches the shadow over here, even though it closes below the previous structure low price. So this was the move that created the bearish movement, and this will be the starting point, and that is very important. And once the market break and close above this point, it doesn't mean that it went to bullish movement, but it just means a bearish, weaker bearish movement. You just need, one more confirmation to make that changes, to make it different. 4-hour chart, this is what we have on the 4-hour chart. Bearish movement as well. And let's have a look on the 1 hour. So this was the movement that have the low price, the closing price over here touches a low price. So in order for the bullish or the bearish movement to be weakened, it has to break above 1.2123. So you can see how important is having your definition right. That will very much affect your analysis to read it, the strength of the movement, whether it's a bearish movement, bullish movement, whether it's a strong setup or a weak setup. All right, so we can scan this QR code, get into our student portal over here. We can chat and discuss with us online via Telegram. Just like hi over here, you'll be connected to a Telegram. And if you scroll down further, you can even access our trading course for free over here. And what's more important is, if you're interested to receive our trading ideas, access to our course content right now. In fact, for the past 2 years, more than 2 years, we have been running this crazy promo rate just by paying the price on the Trade Ideas Live package for a year. You get access to 2 fabulous courses, and that would have saved you 3 times of the trading fee and stuff like that. And you can access our live rooms and stuff like that, all those fun stuff, and receive my trading ideas via email, my step-by-step move. All right, so your call, if you're interested, drop me a note soon. All right, because we're going to make the changes very soon. Don't wait any further. If you miss the deal, you miss the deal. All right, so over here, what you can see is my social media account. And I only have one account, one user ID in this platform. So take note, if anyone claims that it's me and drop me a message and you check that it's not my user ID RAYNLIM, then please report the person, screenshot it, report to the local authority platform owners, which means talk to Telegram and stuff like that, report those accounts and block them. All right, so back to our daily chart, let me share with you my analysis over here. So what we have, or potential setup, will be a bearish shark pattern looking to short at 1.2775. Do remember, a shark pattern, or like any harmonic pattern, it will be only a pattern once it touches the price. There is no rules, and there's not the way I teach that you buy from C and hit for D. That's not how it works. Even once it touches D, there are certain rules to obey before we engage the trade, and that's how harmonic pattern traders, or those who are learning the right patterns and the updated patterns, earn money while the rest loses money. What I love about this setup is that the completion price is near or within the zone of the bearish channel. All right, so this is something that is fantastic, and this is something that's amazing, something that you can look out for a trading opportunity, that's for sure. Let me just adjust this for a while. I think using mobile phone doing analysis have dragged it a bit. So to the 4-hour chart, what you can see on the 4-hour chart is that there is a bearish shark pattern. You can look for a shorting opportunity at 1.2099 for a shorting opportunity, and there is a shark pattern, and this shark pattern form out earlier than the daily chart. And some of the questions that I receive is that, hey Rain, you say there's a shorting opportunity on daily chart, and 4-hour chart there's one that's sooner. Which one should I take? Well, that depends on your trading rules. Personally, I'll take the one that complete first, and of course there is confirmation signal. I need to look out for that, especially when there is a 4-hour setup and a daily setup that is further from it, you know, different price point. That's when I want to look for a confirmation before I engage a trade. And especially dealing with Shark, it can have as many as 3 different entry zone, correct? So I just need confirmation and engage it, and trading Shark is not easy. That's why you have to learn. All right. And to the 1 hour, this is what I have. 1 hour chart, potential Gartley completing 1.1912, and of course if the Gartley form first before the Shark pattern on the 4 hour chart, then I can do my trade combo, which I call this the upsize trade management, and you will able to earn more money than other traders with lower risk and higher returns. So if this is what you love and what you want, drop me a note soon, because once the offer is done, my thoughts is I might revert the cost price. Most likely make some changes. Definitely will be more than what you are receiving right now. In terms of package, right now is the best deal, so make your decision before 26th of July. Don't wait any further. It's just 16 days from now. You don't want to wait for the last minute. You know, if you have some transaction issue, platform issues and stuff like that, the delay happen, then you know, then you have to go into the new program or whatsoever. All right, so that's all I have for you today. Till then, remember, always plan your trade and trade your plan. Take care.